Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my Easter decor. 90% of this decor is actually either from the thrift store or I got it on super discount clearance sales last year after Easter. So if you remember last year after Easter's, when the stores first started opening up, a lot of them had discounted Easter decor. So most of these rabbits that you see here I got from Hobby Lobby, and I actually paid less than $1. And if you know anything about last year's Hobby Lobby decor, some of the bunnies that you're gonna see were $30 just for one bunny rabbit, and I paid $30 to get all of these rabbits. So I'll show you guys some of them. Some of them you won't see in this decor because I didn't decorate with them this year, but there are others that you will see. But I will show you guys and talk about what I did to upgrade these bunnies or to make them match my decor, what DIYs I did, how I did them, how I created this look for each of these bunny rabbits. I'm going to even start with my porch sign. So this is also from Hobby Lobby. I think I just got this 40% off, but I did a faux concrete effect on the framing. If you want to see how I did that, my blog post on my faux concrete effect is going to be in the description. This bunny right here, we'll start with the rope bunny. This is one of those Hobby Lobby clearance finds for less than $1. Regularly priced last year, I think he was $30. He was missing an ear when I got him in the clearance section, and I used some rope and some jute rope from the dollar store and some hot glue, and I actually replaced his ear using this thrift store rabbit that I got for 99 cents at the Goodwill, and some popsicle sticks, knowing that I would just wrap the thing in rope. It really didn't matter what his ear was made out of, so I made him a fake ear and then wrapped him in some rope, and this is what he looked like when I was finished. Here he is with my DIY spring carrot decor. If you want to see how I made these, I will leave the link to the video on how I made these in the description below. I'll also try to link it at the end of this video so you can watch it when you're done watching this. This next bunny was a really simple upcycle, I guess you can call it. It's just some silver spray paint. So here is what the bunny looked like before. I got him for less than $1 on clearance at Hobby Lobby and just upgraded him with a little silver spray paint, and this is what he looks like now. This larger gray faux concrete bunny is another one from Hobby Lobby. Now these guys sold for regular price $30 last year, but I got him for $3. It was the most expensive, and the little one was like 10 cents or something really low, and both of them got the faux concrete effect. Again, if you're interested in how I do my faux concrete effect, I will leave the link to that blog post below. The brass watering can I got from the Goodwill for $2 and just filled that with some IKEA greenery. And then this next bunny is also one that just simply got a coating of silver spray paint. This is what he looked like originally, again less than $1, and then with the silver spray paint, this is how he turned out. The silver just gave this one such a high-end effect, so don't be afraid, guys, of thrifted decors. Look for the shape, and then you can always paint anything whatever color you want. Moving right along here, this little guy you might recognize from the other photo. Again, a Hobby Lobby find for less than $1, and I gave him the faux concrete effect as well. Here he is before, and this is him after. A couple more silver bunnies here. Now this bunny here is actually the same as the broke bunny and the same as the other bunny on the other side that was faux concrete effect, but I just decided to paint him silver. I paid $3 for this one, and he was originally priced at $30 last year. And they were, so all of the decor, all of these bunnies were 90% off. These little ducklings were a recent find from a thrift store. Each of them was $2, and the little nests that they're in I actually found at the thrift store on a separate occasion. I probably paid $2 for each of the little mini wreaths, and they are now little nests for these. This one I actually painted the little beading on it white. It was originally purple. And now we're going to this white distressed bunny rabbit. This was one of the Hobby Lobby bunnies that I got for less than $1. I painted him first with a coating of gray, just a base of like a dark gray spray paint, and then I came in after that and I think I did 3 full coats of a white acrylic paint, because the white acrylic paint does go on kind of thin, and then I just sanded it down in different areas to create that distressing. And then later you'll see another bunny that I did something similar to. Right here is actually a floral arrangement that I made using some Dollar Tree florals and some Spanish moss. I painted this faux concrete effect on a regular terracotta pot, and these two bunnies, these little silver ones on the wooden pedestals, I got from TJ Maxx last year. It was the after Easter sale, and they were $3.50 each. This wooden bunny is another thrift store find. I think I paid less than $2 for this guy at the Goodwill, and I think he is hand carved. He looks that way to me. The only thing I actually did to this one is sand down his eyeballs, because he had black eyeballs when I first got him and it looked a little bit creepy, so I sanded off the black paint off of the eyeball, and this is what he looks like now. Now this is the one I was telling you about earlier. This is another Hobby Lobby bunny, and I did something similar to the white distressing. I was originally going to make him look the exact same as the other one with the distressing and do a full coating of white, but once I put the first coat of white over the gray, it left this effect, and because it went on thin and streaky, but I liked the way it turned out, so I just left him like that, and I think he is probably one of my favorites now. Now, I'm sorry this footage is a little bit darker and harder to see, but I wanted to share this display. These blue bunnies I did absolutely nothing to, but this is from Hobby Lobby as well, from that 90% off sale, so I paid less than $1 for these bunnies as well. And this here I'm kind of proud of. This is the gold bunny in the middle of this display, is from the thrift store. I probably paid maybe $2 or $3 for him, and along with these other bunnies I got at the same time, they all got a coat of gold spray paint except for the smallest one. I didn't decorate with the smaller one this time, but I did put this gold bunny in the little egg tray. This is one of those clear plastic egg trays that you can get in the catering section, or I guess the party section at the Dollar Tree, and The eggs inside are for the most part just plastic eggs. The gold ones I spray painted gold. These white ones I just added some wall texture spray, the kind that comes in a can at the hardware store, and I put the white acrylic paint over that. Now if you're going to do that though, you just want to make sure that you coat the eggs with a bonding primer first, and then the wall texture, and then the paint, whatever color if you wanted to create that effect. And the the gray speckled eggs are from the clearance at Hobby Lobby. Here's one last look at the main display on my porch. This is probably my favorite spot to decorate in my house for each season. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have a favorite spot in your house to decorate. Leave me a like if you like this video. It really helps to encourage me, and it helps my video to reach other people. Please be sure to subscribe if you want to see more DIY, home decor, and home improvement on a budget.